Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Paul.
And I'm Ken.
We're the founders of Open Funk and this is our monthly update.
So today we're gonna talk about our new office.
We have a new advisor joining the team,
A new website.
we visited some of our supply and certification partners, product updates on the timeline.
And we will end with some very good news in terms of design awards.
Yes, let's go. We finally got an office, so we have a place where we can actually work from. We used to pretty much store everything in our own homes and a bit of the stuff here. The office is at Motion Lab, which is the place. It's a makerspace and co-working space where you can actually use their own machines in a shared way here with the rest of the community.
We are very happy to announce our new member officially, Tapani Jokinen, that joined us recently as a circular design expert with a lot of experience in the industry, former head of design portfolio at Nokia. And he has been actually supporting us the past year from the start almost with feedbacks and advice on how to develop on the design of our products. So it was a great actually help from the start.
This month we've been running a lot of events, either in terms of community, making delicious food, or attending different fairs where we met some interesting partners for spreading the word about Remix, as well as partners which could later help us distribute the product to other places around Europe. We also have a new web platform, which is not just a place where people can order new products and spare parts in the future, but also a place for the community to get together. And we're going to be launching different kinds of spaces on the website where people will be able to interact, to share recipes, to share best practices in terms of longevity, in terms of repair. We're also really excited that since we launched it 3 or 4 weeks ago, there's over 40 people who pre-ordered. At the same time, we decided to increase the size of the first production batch so that we can get more pre-orders in.
So that's a great opportunity for those who missed our Kickstarter campaign to actually get their remix also at the same time. And we also visited our future assembly partner.
VWB is a social center here in Berlin, which provides training opportunities for people with disabilities.
And we brought our new prototypes to them, and we were like preparing a little bit the production, getting feedback from them, what could be improved, when we could also start and doing some planning. We also visited our certification partner with who will do all the testing. We started discussing our latest prototypes with them and make a testing plan.
Why do we need a certification partner?
So we need a certification partner because there is laws and regulations within the EU that protect users and people from getting products that are not compliant with either safety or regulatory matters.
We also visited Le Pavé, which is the production partner of the recycled plastic casing for our mixer.
So it was great to be there to check the different opportunities in terms of materials and recycling we could have with them. We had the chance to also check the first samples that they just produced for us, so we could check the quality. On the product side, what we did since our last updates was building 3 fully new prototypes reflecting the latest stature of design and engineering. We used our latest panels we got from Le Pavé to validate the product before starting our production. Some of the improvements are working on a good path. Some others needs to be reworked. So, such as, for example, the jar detection. We were hoping to have that solved by now. We already have a mock-up on it that worked, that validates the new 3D. There is few other challenges related to the stability of the product on the kitchen top. So in terms of supply chain, we have some delays for the motors. The motors needs more time to be prepared from our suppliers in China that was actually locked down. We have an action plan for all the challenges that we just mentioned. We want to iterate on our prototype to make it good and durable at the level that we want to achieve. which means also more time for engineering and research and development, which will lead to also postpone certification process, because for certification process you need to have the final design and engineering being tested. So this pushed us to postpone a little bit the delivery of our first batch to spring.
So this means you do need to wait a bit longer if you order your remix, but it's really gonna be worth it because the product itself is gonna be just so much better. Remix was selected in the top 15 from 5,400 entries at the Design Sustainability Awards. Which is the world's most influential design and architecture magazine. Yes, we're part of the Bundespreis Eco Design exhibition here in Berlin. Bundespreis Eco Design is Germany's highest ranked sustainability award funded by the German government. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for listening to us, and see you next time.
Yes, keep in touch, keep the funk flowing, and prepare some good food for yourself. See ya!